Hello everyone, today we'll start our topic preparation of aldehydes. In the previous lecture we studied the preparation of aldehyde and ketones both. But today we'll specifically prepare aldehydes. We will study about some main reactions also today. So let us start our topic. First reaction that is this is acid chloride and we are doing reduction to produce the benzaldehyde. So this reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. So this is Rosenmund reduction. So here what happens that we take acid chloride, like here it is benzoyl chloride, this is benzoyl chloride. We add hydrogen and the catalyst palladium and barium sulfate. Then what happens, we produce the corresponding aldehyde by the reduction. So here the chlorine is removed and hydrogen is added. So this is reduction reaction. So we get what? Benzaldehyde. So this is the product. So this reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction reaction. So this is to prepare the aldehyde from the acid chloride. The next reaction, so this was the main reaction. The next reaction is also a main reaction in which the nitrile is reduced to aldehyde. So here what happens that nitrile is taken as the reactant and the stannous chloride, that is SnCl2, is added in the, and also the hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. So we get what? We get imine. So this is imine, RCH double bond NH. This is imine. Then this imine is hydrolyzed to form the aldehyde, corresponding aldehyde. So this name reaction is what? Stephan reaction. This is Stephan reaction. So here we take the nitrile, then add stannous chloride and HCl to produce imine. This one is imine, and we get, after hydrolysis of imine, we get the aldehyde. Next way to produce aldehyde from nitrile is this way. Here to the nitrile we are adding diisobutyl aluminium hydride. This diisobutyl aluminium hydride is also known as dibyl H. Dibyl H. Then we hydrolyze it and we get aldehyde. So here when we add dibyl H, what happens? This nitrile is changed to the corresponding imine, and then when we hydrolyze it, it changes to aldehyde. So these were some of the methods. Now next we will see how to prepare aldehyde from hydrocarbons. Before proceeding to it, dibyl H can also change the ester to aldehyde. So we can use here ester as well. Instead of RCN, we can add ester. So if we add ester as the reactant and then add dibyl H to it and then hydrolyze it, we then get aldehyde as the product. So now we will move to the hydrocarbons. Next we will see the oxidation of hydrocarbons. So this is methyl benzene or toluene, and when we add this chromyl chloride and CH2, that is carbon disulfide, then what happens that this toluene is changed to benzaldehyde. First it makes the chromium complex, and then when you hydrolyze it, you can get the benzaldehyde. So here what we are doing the oxidation, but to the aldehyde. If you use the strong oxidizing agent, then you will get what? You will get benzoic acid, but we want only aldehyde. So that's why we are using these reagents. The next reagent which helps in producing the benzaldehyde from toluene or substituted toluene is the chromic acid in the presence of acetic anhydride. So CrO3 and CH3CO whole twice O is used as the reagent. Then we get what? Benzylidene diacetate. So this is the benzylidene diacetate. The benzene group is attached to CH and OCOCH3 whole twice. Then when we hydrolyze it, we get again benzaldehyde. So this reaction, the first reaction which I have used, this reaction, this is also a name reaction. The name is Itard reaction. So this is also name reaction. So first we have studied Rosenmund reaction, then Stephan reaction. This is the third name reaction, Itard reaction, and all were there to produce the aldehydes. The next reaction is chlorination reaction. So here to the toluene we are adding chlorine in the presence of light, and we get what? Benzyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride. Benzene is attached to CHCl2. Then we add water to hydrolyze it and to get the benzaldehyde as a product. So this method is used as a commercial method to produce the benzaldehyde. Next reaction is also a name reaction. Here what we take benzene or substituted benzene and add carbon monoxide CO and HCl hydrochloric acid in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride AlCl3 or cuprous chloride CuCl to produce benzaldehyde or substituted benzaldehyde. So this name reaction is what? This is Gattermann-Koch reaction. So this is also a name reaction. So we have studied the preparation of aldehydes from acid chloride, from nitriles, from ester and from hydrocarbons in today's lecture. And we have studied 4 name reactions: Rosenmund reaction, Stephan reaction, Itard reaction, and lastly the Gattermann-Koch reaction. So these were the methods to produce aldehydes. So I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.